Heat treating is a crucial service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of heat to alter the physical and chemical properties of materials. This process is used to improve the strength, hardness, ductility, and other mechanical properties of metals and alloys. Heat treating is a complex process that requires precise control of temperature, time, and cooling rate to achieve the desired results. There are several types of heat treating processes, including annealing, quenching, tempering, and case hardening, each of which is used for specific applications. Annealing is a heat treating process that involves heating a material to a specific temperature and holding it there for a certain amount of time before cooling it slowly. This process is used to soften metals and alloys, making them more ductile and easier to work with. Quenching, on the other hand, involves rapidly cooling a material after it has been heated to a high temperature. This process is used to harden metals and alloys, making them stronger and more resistant to wear and tear. Tempering is a heat treating process that involves heating a material to a specific temperature and then cooling it slowly. This process is used to reduce the brittleness of hardened metals and alloys, making them more durable. Case hardening is a heat treating process that involves adding a hard outer layer to a material while keeping the core soft and ductile. This process is used to improve the wear resistance of materials. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of high-quality metal products. The company offers a wide range of services, including heat treating, to meet the needs of its customers. Berkness Company has a team of experienced professionals who are skilled in the art of heat treating and can provide customized solutions to meet the specific needs of each customer. The company uses state-of-the-art equipment and technology to ensure that its heat treating processes are precise and efficient. If you are interested in learning more about heat treating and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting the Contact Us page on the company's website. The company's team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision about your heat treating needs. With Berkness Company's expertise and commitment to quality, you can be confident that your heat treating needs will be met with the highest level of professionalism and excellence. FAQs. 1. What is heat treating in manufacturing? Heat treating is a process used in manufacturing to alter the physical and sometimes chemical properties of a material, typically metals. It involves heating the material to a specific temperature and then cooling it in a controlled manner to achieve the desired properties, such as increased strength, hardness, or ductility. What are the different types of heat treating? There are several types of heat treating, including annealing, normalizing, quenching, tempering, and case hardening. Annealing involves heating the material to a specific temperature and then cooling it slowly to make it softer and more ductile. Normalizing is similar to annealing but involves cooling the material in air instead of slowly. Quenching involves rapidly cooling the material in a liquid to increase its hardness. Tempering involves heating the material to a specific temperature and then cooling it slowly to increase its toughness. Case hardening involves adding a hard outer layer to the material by heating it in a carbon-rich environment. 3. What materials can be heat treated? Heat treating is typically used on metals, such as steel, aluminum, and copper alloys. However, some non-metallic materials, such as ceramics and glass, can also be heat treated to improve their properties. The specific material and the desired properties will determine the appropriate heat treating process to use. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.